Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to Ocho Rios, Jamaica, where we will explore 4 unique and exciting activities that you must try during your visit. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a relaxation enthusiast, Ocho Rios has something special for everyone. Let's dive in. Guys, number 1 on my list is scuba diving. Yes, guys, don't raise your eyebrows, don't pull back, don't knock it until you've tried it, but scuba diving, whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner, there are certified divers in and around Ocho Rios who are ready and very, very equipped to teach you to appreciate this wonderful activity. So guys, this is number 1 on my list, scuba diving. And Ocho Rios is a scuba diver's paradise because it offers some of the most mesmerizing underwater landscapes in the world. For persons who are guests at the hotels in Ocho Rios, scuba diving is a part of the package that you have the option of enjoying for no additional cost for most of these places. For persons who are not guests, there are dive shops in and around Ocho Rios that you can check out and make arrangements. Guys, let's saddle up for activity number 2, horseback riding. Guys, imagine riding on a horseback along the pristine beaches of Ocho Rios. Local stables offer guided horseback rides. It's a must-try activity for animal lovers. Guys, the gentleman you're seeing on your screen, his name is Eddie. I was talking to him about horseback riding and I wanted to share the information with you guys. But because of the background music that was playing in a local shop and the copyright issues, I am not able to do that. So let me just tell you, Eddie was saying that he's been doing it for over 30 years and that he takes persons horseback riding, not only tourists, but also locals. He goes along the local roads and he also rides along the beach and in the water. For those of you who plan to come to Jamaica and would like to go horseback riding with Eddie, his number is 876-583-4088. That's 583-4088. And his name is Eddie. Guys, you cannot miss this opportunity to go horseback riding. It is simply out of this world. Guys, my next activity is boat riding. Yes, guys. Have you ever traveled around Ocho Rios and seen it from a different viewpoint? By boat. Yes. I have done it and it is simply amazing. Now, if you take a leisurely boat ride along the coast, you get a different taste of the local culture and history. You cruise past picturesque coves, hidden beaches, and you even get to see the iconic landmarks such as Dunn's River Falls from the sea. Like I said, guys, simply amazing. Many tours include opportunities for snorkeling or even cliff jumping if you're in an adventurous mood. It's a fantastic way to soak in the beauty of Ocho Rios from the water. And the view, guys, that will get you. It's peaceful, it's quiet, it's relaxing. Totally an amazing experience, guys. So yes, this is number 3 on my list. And guys, let's move on to our 4th and final, number 4. Having a meal at Sharky's. Now, if you're looking for an unforgettable dining experience in the tropical paradise of Ocho Rios, look no further than Sharky's. Guys, this is an amazing restaurant and it's nestled right by the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean. Sharky's offers a feast for both your senses and your taste buds. We're talking about mouth-watering Jamaican jerk chicken or freshly caught seafood. And there is always the rhythm of reggae music in the background. Guys, you cannot spend time in Ocho Rios and not have a meal by Sharky's. This is where good food and good vibes meet to create memories that will last a lifetime. So there you have it, guys. The 4 activities on my list of unique things to do in Ocho Rios. Now, I'm not saying there are not other things to do. I didn't talk about climbing the Dunn's River Falls or going to Dolphin Cove, all of those exciting things. But I'm saying for me, these are 4 things on my list. It's a unique list, but for me, it's a must-do when you're in Ocho Rios. Guys, leave your comments in the comment section and tell me what activities you enjoy doing in Ocho Rios. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one.